Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you guys have been asking me to do an apartment tour, so today I'm gonna be doing an apartment tour. This is the front door of my apartment. If you're from the Caribbean, you know, especially Jamaica, you know that whenever you see like spots like these, you always try to use bleach to get them out, but somehow I don't know, it's like these spots are very stubborn, so they can't come out. But yeah, so this is the front door. This is where you put your shoes. So in Japan, you don't wear your shoes inside the house. By the way, this is a very old apartment, so like you can see that right here is rust. So when you enter my apartment, this is literally the kitchen. As you walk in, this is the front door. Literally as you walk in, you're in my kitchen. So I got this burner, this one burner. It came with the apartment, and I got an electric burner. My company rented me it. But anyway, so these are some of the things that I use on like a daily or weekly basis. So instead of putting it up here, which I have to climb up, literally you have to climb up to get up here, I just leave them right there. Oh, by the way, the garbage disposal thing in Japan, you have to store garbage in your apartment because there are specific days that they pick up specific types of garbage. So you have to separate the garbage based on the type of garbage that it is. For example, plastic go with plastic. Like this, I have recycled bottles, and these are burnable stuff. So they are grouped together. So always keep like bottles up here because I don't use the pipe water when I'm making my tea in the mornings. I use bottled water. I'm gonna cook right now, so I took my meat out so that it can, you know, thaw out, because I'm gonna make yakisoba. It's the only Japanese food that I know how to cook. This is at the cupboard. Yeah, up there I have a few stuff up there, like cereal and some other stuff. A funny story about that bottle. When I just came to Japan, I bought it. I thought that it was oil, but it's actually some alcohol thing. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, but that is oil. Yeah, when you don't know Japanese, oh my god, it's so hard. This is where I put some of my stuff, like my cups, my utensils. Yeah, and then here is my disc drainer. I actually bought this, let me show you. I bought this thing from Amazon, so it's very handy. So like down here I put all my containers because I cook like for the week, so I usually put all my food in containers and I put it in the fridge. I have a lot of these small containers because I put my fruits and my vegetables in there as well, and I have a lot of these because I buy a lot of ice cream, so I just store these containers so that if anything and I need a large container, I have them. I've been using also lemon, like I'll make lemon. This is not related to the apartment tour, guys, but I'm sorry. Yeah, but I'm just like explaining why I have these things in my apartment. I've been making lemonade and I've been using it as well in the mornings and in the nights to drink like lemon water because I've heard that it helps to reduce belly fat. I got these from one of my co-workers. He was telling me about it, and then I told him I didn't know what it was, and he bought a bunch of them for me. I've only eaten like one. This chocolate thing I got from another co-worker. They're always giving me stuff, and if you guys watch my Korean recap video, you would have seen that I bought this in Korea. So this is Korean, this is Japanese. I got that cup from Korea as well. Wait, what is this? Oh, I have this thing. I guess someone from work gave it to me as well. Anyways, so I bought this thing from Amazon as well. If I use it, it's gonna make my electric bill like skyrocket. Anyway, so back to down here. Across from my kitchen, it's my bathroom. I don't know what these buttons are for, but I only use this one for the lights. So I have a mirror. Yeah, I have a mirror. You see, you can actually see my bathroom from behind. Like, anyways, I have my face soap, my body soap, my body wash, my stuff, my toothbrush. This is what I bought in Korea. and I got this from, I think this was the 300 yen store. I got this and this from, as well as this thing. I got this shower curtain from Daiso. This is the dollar store. Yeah, this is my tiny bathroom. In Japan, some bathrooms are separated, so they separate the toilet from the shower area in some apartments, but luckily for me, I have both of them together. So this machine is rented. This is like my little closet area, and then up here is like my storage area. These are like a whole bunch of bags up in this one because of course I need to sort out my garbage. These are random stuff. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you, I have stuff, I have cupboards under here, but yeah, under there is like untidy, and this is where I keep like my wash stuff. So now you have this thing, so I guess this is still a part of my kitchen. So this is my tiny fridge. I am literally taller than the fridge. My company rented me this. I bought this from Amazon. This is the electric burner that I told you guys that I got from my company, and I've never used it before because it's all in Japanese and I don't know how to use it. Plus my electric bill is usually very high, so I don't even want to use it. But anyways, this is the remote for the AC, and this is the remote for the lights. So let me turn on the light so you guys can probably see in here better. Now you're in my living room. Okay, so I need to put that up. I bought this is like a blender thing because I want to start going to the gym. Oh, this is my thing to hang my clothes on. Yeah, I need to put that under there. This is my couch. I bought it from Amazon. This is literally the biggest mirror that I have in my apartment. I need to get a full body mirror because like this is inconvenient. I actually have to put it right there so that I can see my entire body. But yeah, so this is like only 2 persons can sit here. This is my shoe rack. This is when I went to Tokyo Sky Tree with my friend. I keep all my shoes in here. I also use it as a storage area for other stuff, like for example down here I have my internet, and this is a landline that I don't use. I actually plug it out because I don't want to, you know, I don't want to use it at all. I don't want to be tempted to use it. So I have different types of shoes here, and what I did was I put scandal bag under at the bottom because I don't want to dirty up this thing, and I'm not going to be wiping off the bottom of every shoe that I wear, so I just put scandal bag there to keep it clean. So yeah, I need to cancel that internet because I have a portable one. Let me show you guys this one. I can just have internet on the go, which is what I wanted from all along. So I was just testing this to ensure that it works properly before I cancel that. So I'm gonna cancel it because this is okay. This piece of table and chair, my company rented me it. Yeah, and this is where I sleep, guys. So in Japan they mainly sleep on what is called futon. Luckily for me, I got a futon for 2 persons because of course, you know, sometimes I have my friends that come over. Pretty simple, right? Before I even show you guys my closet, I'm gonna ask you guys to do not judge me because this is my dresser, this is my storage area, this is my closet, this is the every little thing because of course you guys see how small my apartment is, so I don't really have room for anything. So I'm gonna show you guys what in here look like, but do not judge me, okay? Do not judge me, okay? All right, okay. I have 1 suitcase with clothes. I put my winter clothes up there because of course it was summer. Jacket, my winter stuff, yeah, all my winter stuff are up there along with other stuff that I don't really use often. And then here is like my dresser. It's so untidy, I know, guys. I bought these organizer things from Daiso. If you're coming to Japan to live, you can always check out Daiso for any little household stuff. This is my makeup stuff, my jewelry, my laptop, stuff like that. Yeah, so this is in here is kind of untidy because I'm in here like every day, literally. Right here is a little more organized. So of course I have these 2 suitcases filled with clothes. and behind another thing filled documents, my towel, my clothes, my iron. My AC is also my heater. So let me go outside. Can you imagine you washing your sheet set and you have to hang out your sheet set on this? Look at this little freaking line. Okay, can you imagine? Let me just dress back so you can see. But I make it work, you know. I make it work because this is what I have to work with. So yeah, but it's very inconvenient. And so I have these plastic things that I sometimes use, put my clothes on because I can't bother. Anyway, so I have used bleach to scrub right there, but it won't come out. That looks very dirty, but it's actually not. But yeah, out here is dusty as well, but that definitely can't come out. I think upstairs, the person up above me, they have their AC on, that's why it's dripping. Man is riding bicycle. Yeah, so this I think is an emergency level. I think I only know how 2 persons look in this apartment. This is my view outside. Where you see that orange building, that's where my supermarket is. So that's where I go for my supermarket. That's where Daiso is. Yeah. One of Daiso, because Daiso is all over Japan. But yeah, this is my view. Over there is a tennis court, so I usually hear them hitting the ball. You probably can hear it now because they're playing. Do you see that kid? Yeah, so I have to deal with the noise from the cars passing, deal with the train passing, I have to deal with freaking people playing tennis. But I've learned to block it out. Drama mesh, so I don't want anything to fly into my apartment. But guys, this is my apartment. Like, it's very small, it's very simple. Yeah guys, this is pretty much it. Like, that's the entrance, and we literally can see the end. I think that's it. My apartment is very, very old. When a car passes by speeding, then my building shakes. When the typhoon comes, my building shakes. I've gotten used to my building shaking. Okay, yeah, so I think that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and remember to subscribe. Bye guys. We'll be right back.